Hi. Sir, are you asleep? Sir?
Oh my lord, what the flip?
Sorry.
I was finally getting some sleep.
I said sorry.
Man, if I had Henry's axe, I would
What?
not be talking to you right now.
Wait, did you say Henry?
Yes. Do you know him?
I think
Sam?
so.
His small friend won't let me even a mile away from.
Sam, did you steal my hairbrush?
Is that who you meant?
Yes.
Sam,
Yeah, Rosie?
you ain't wearing your mask.
What?
Bye.
Hold on.
So rude. Why is she so mean?
He.
Hi.
Hi.
Please don't ask why I'm so mean.
Okay. How did you know I was gonna ask?
I could tell by the look on your face.
Oh.
I'm back.
Hi.
Peace. Hell what?
Welcome.
I'm always welcome.
Now out.
Okay. Thank you.
You be welcome.
Ahem.
Ah!
He.
Oof.
No, 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 no,
Ha
no,
ha.
no, 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 new.
No.
What's wrong?
Nothing.
Man, I really wish you'd tell me stuff.
I'm okay.